Hey guys, good morning. It's a little past morning. It's 10:45 and I'm at the gym. I'm just sitting in the car listening to Drake's album. What do you guys think of this album? Let me know down below. I picked this up today. It's so good. This flavor, peach mango. I've never had the Bang energy drinks either, but this one right here, honey,
Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play. Dance with me, just let me rock you till the break of day. Dance with me, boy. No disrespect, I don't mean no harm. Talk to me, boy. But I can't wait to have you in my heart. Talk to me, boy. Hurry up, 'cause you're taking too long. Talk to me, boy.
Bagels, essential energy drink. I had two, but I dropped one this morning. Some salad, dried fruit, some shrimp, some chicken breast, some egg whites, some oranges, and then I have another bag of my dried fruits. So now that I'm done cleaning up, I'm going to meal prep for the week. I still have not eaten breakfast and it's 3 o'clock, but I'm still gonna eat it anyway. So I'm gonna start on my breakfast, which I'm going to be making some of these petite gold potatoes. I just chop them up and then I put them in the air fryer, get them like air fried, roasted, whatever. And then I'm gonna have that with some egg whites. That'll be my breakfast. Prep some chicken for the week and some shrimp. And I have some rice already made. My veggies, I'm doing a salad. So I'm not gonna prep that because I can just make that while I'm at home. And then I'm gonna do some green beans. And then I have my fruit, and yeah. But I do have to meal prep my chicken and shrimp, so I will show you guys that. I measured out my potatoes. I'm starting on breakfast now. So I did, this is about, I think it's like half a cup of potatoes, half a serving of potatoes, which is like 110 grams. It said 111, you know, whatever. I'm gonna add those in and then let them get a little bit more crispy. 4 servings of my egg whites. So I'm gonna measure that out right now. I'm also gonna add in some spinach. It's frozen, so I forgot about it though. I'm gonna add in and then I almost forgot. I'm gonna use a little bit of cheese. I only have a little bit left anyway. It's probably a serving or like a little bit less. I'm gonna measure it out. So it ended up being a little bit less than a serving. Serving is 28 grams and it ended up being 25, which is fine. I am just gonna check on this. I just put a little bit of salt, pepper, and onion powder. Yo, it's literally 4 o'clock. Lord Jesus. But we still gotta eat. Just, it really helps to like weigh out your stuff sometimes. So this is breakfast and I'm so excited to eat. It is afternoon. I am just making some quick lunch. I have some leftover shrimp. It actually smells like hibachi shrimp. And yeah, so I'm trying to figure out what I want with it, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna do some rice. I have some rice already cooked. And I got the sweet butter salad, and then I want to do this dressing. One of the last things that I have to do is just make my chicken for the week, and then I'm good to go. I have everything prepped that I need. Oh, actually no, I do have to make my shrimp. I have a serving of rice with some shrimp. It's probably a serving of shrimp. It looks like a lot. I just ate whatever I had left because I didn't want it to go bad. And then I have my little salad, serving of dressing, and I have a tiny bit of Coke left, Diet Coke, so. I am getting ready to go to the gym and do my cardio. I really don't feel like going. It's 2 o'clock. It's still kind of early in the day, huh? But I'm gonna go, and because I said I would, because I already missed like a few days this week, so I'm just like, let me just go. And yeah, I'm just doing cardio, 45 minutes today, so it won't be hard, too hard. And I usually like to work out in the morning because that's like priority, so I prefer to just get it out the way. But an orange before I go, just to give me some energy, electrolytes, vitamins. Like the mango flavor, but I have to go to like Vitamin Shop to get it, so I'll buy this one if I'm at like Target or something. I'm gonna do about 2 scoops. the finished product. Again, I don't know why I keep getting these big bowls for my little portions, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat, y'all, and plan out my workouts for the week and then head to bed. I'm so tired right now. Honestly, maybe this food will kind of like wake me up a little bit more, but because I need to edit this video right now because I want to have it up by Monday, tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.